Ramp Up to Readiness is a system-wide, in our case, in our district, a 7-12 college readiness program that engages all students in the system in the process of developing college readiness.
It's such a crucial component for students to be prepared for their future and make informed decisions about what they want to do, what careers they want to go into, what schools to attend, and then not only that, build those skill sets, those habits during high school.
They've always been hearing, you should go to college, you should go to college, but Ramp Up provides a very clear roadmap on how to do that. It's the entire spectrum of college readiness. It doesn't just deal with careers, it deals with all aspects of college readiness.
In 9th grade, I had no idea what college I wanted to go to or really thinking about as far as going to college in general, but being here, it really helps because I feel like we're mostly advanced as far as thinking about college than any other high school because every day in advisory is mostly about college and goals and learning.
The academic readiness for the students, the activities that they participate in, really give them a clear definition that it's not just graduating from high school that is the goal. The goal is to be ready for college. And what you need to graduate from high school doesn't always make or equal college readiness.
Students understanding what they need to do to get into certain schools. Understanding what the different requirements schools have, understand how to get their GPAs to the requirements for schools, and knowing how to apply to a school.
Earning a 1-year, 2-year, 4-year degree is essential for kids to be viable in today's marketplace.
The impact on career readiness is to give students an opportunity to figure out who they are and how they fit into the world. So it gives them an opportunity to assess who they are with various activities that they can do and how they fit with a career choice.
I would say the financial readiness area is one where students have had the most shock or ahas. And that happened first when we talked about how much school costs. But then their second part to the aha, which was awesome about Ramp Up, was seeing how you can afford it, seeing how much money they would get based on their family income. We'd help students alleviate that stress or worry.
They showed how serious it is to find a college that you can afford and that you can get benefits from, and financial aid and scholarships and all of that stuff that I didn't really know about going into high school.
Ramp Up's personal social readiness is very significant because it gives students the time to reflect on where they are at with their personal social readiness, which research is telling us is very important for college readiness. It's not just about receiving the right ACT score or having the right GPA. It's about being emotionally and socially ready for that sort of adventure. And Ramp Up provides students with tools and activities to reflect on where they are, opportunities for them to create areas of growth and how they will meet that growth and measure the growth. It's measuring where kids are right now and where they want to be. And that's a really powerful tool for communication with families.
My mom is more of a person that's kind of what you want to do is what you want to do. So I feel like they're helping me help her for which college I want to go to so she can understand this is why I want to go there instead of me not knowing and helping her understand.
The fact that it is comprehensive and research-based gives us the reassurance that we need that it's going to get the job done.
I had a student that was a senior last year, and she transferred into Forest Lake High School as a senior, and she was attending one of the neighboring high schools. And she came to me and she was very excited about Ramp Up. And the reason why she was excited is that she'd always been told you should go to college, but for the first time she was finally being told how to go to college, what that looks like for her, the steps that she needs to be taking and her family.
And the advisors have been saying how easy it is for them to use as well.
I know we're all like really happy that we have it, because if we didn't have it, we'd be lost. Like, we'd just be staring at our computers like, what is going on? Like, we'd have no idea.